Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And like I've been doing for the last couple of weeks, no change to the interest rates. They seem to be fixed in their ways, the banks at the moment, with that 1 year rate at 4.89, the 2 year rate at 4.92 and the 3 year rate at around 4.99 to 5.05. So 4.89, 4.92 and 4.99 or 5.05, whatever you can get. Not much difference in that 3 year rate, but they're the best. If I come over here, where's our board? There it is. Next OCR is the 20th of August, then 8th of October, and then the 26th of November. They're the dates for the next OCR. So what I've been reading is it sounds like the economists, sounds like the sort of mixed reviews, but it seems like the majority is picking a 0.25 cut at the August OCR review. There's still some of them out there saying that that might not happen until October, once the Reserve Bank is more certain around our inflation, because that was at 2.7, came in the other day. They were expecting it to be 2.9, so 2.7 is better than expected, so they think that there could be a cut. Now, last time when I was doing an update after the last OCR announcement, me reading between the lines, it sounded like they weren't going to do any cuts until it was around that 2.5 to 2% again. So it'll be interesting to see, but ultimately, no one will know until it's the 20th of August and the decision is made. And that's why it's really important, if you've got a loan that's coming up for refixing, that you talk to your trusted mortgage advisor, your mortgage broker, and that you get the right advice for you and your circumstances. In terms of mortgages and what we've been seeing with the banks, the timeframes are still horrific. We're taking now between 2 to 3 weeks in some cases just to get some applications pre-approved. So if you're looking to buy in the coming months, talk to us early so we can help you get your ducks in a row. And like I say every couple of times I do these videos, for heaven's sakes, if you're going to open homes and looking at properties and you're not pre-approved and you need a mortgage, please, pretty please come and see us as early as you can, so you can give us a chance to help you with your circumstances so you can get pre-approved and you can look to buy with confidence. I know it's tough with some of the banks not doing pre-approvals for those without a 20% deposit, but if you've got at least a 10% deposit, we run you through our system so we can say, yep, based on all the information you've provided and we've cited and gone over with you, we think you could put an offer on a property within this price range. These are the conditions you need to include. Go ahead and do that, and then we can swing into action. And we do, and that's called a live deal. Once their application is approved, then we can get it looked at as quickly as possible. It's still taking about 7 to 10 working days, but at least you've got a bit more confidence having gone through the process with us, knowing that, hey, we think we are pretty good with putting in an offer on this amount. We've had a number of clients get offers on properties this week, so that's always good, always fun. I think they're conditional, so tomorrow some of them run out. Some will have to get extended till next week. They're a little bit tricky, but we knew that. And, that's a great advantage, having a mortgage advisor working with you and the rest of your team, especially with your lawyer, people that do the builders reports, things like that. And I do think the inquiries are picking up, as they typically do this time of year. I think August will be busy, and then we'll see the results in September, October, November. But as we hear on the news, prices aren't going up anytime soon. People know it's a good time to buy. Rents are coming down, and people are now thinking, should I be paying rent or should I be paying a mortgage? And that gap is closing. So if you want to know more, feel free to get in touch. Would love to help you. Hope you found this useful, and enjoy my Friday funny video that'll come out tomorrow. Ka kite. Cheers, guys. Do me a favor, if you've watched this far, press that like button.